Imagine being told that your stutter is a result of your parents' strictness or your own personal flaws. For centuries, this misconception has plagued individuals who stutter, leading to unnecessary shame and stigma. But here's the groundbreaking truth. Science has finally debunked this long-standing myth, revealing that stuttering is in fact linked to our genes. A team of international researchers at Vanderbilt University Medical Center has made a monumental discovery, identifying a clear genetic cause of stuttering for the first time through a comprehensive analysis of over 1 million people. This study is a game changer, and its implications are far-reaching. But before we dive into the details, let's take a step back and understand the significance of this finding. Stuttering affects over 400 million people worldwide, making it one of the most common developmental speech disorders. It typically begins between the ages of 2 and 5, and while 80% of those affected recover naturally, some individuals continue to struggle with symptoms well into adolescence and adulthood. The impact of stuttering on mental and social quality of life cannot be overstated. Adolescents who stutter often face bullying, decreased class participation, low self-esteem, and depression, while adults may experience reduced employment opportunities, lower job ratings, and social isolation. So what does this new research tell us? The study, published in the prestigious journal Nature Genetics, analyzed over 100,000 self-reported stutter cases and more than 1 million controls, identifying a total of 57 unique genetic loci associated with stuttering. But here's where it gets interesting. The research team found that stuttering genes act differently depending on gender or ancestral group. These genetic mutations not only affect speech fluency, but also show some genetic associations with other cranial nerve characteristics, such as autism, depression, and musical rhythm. Dr. Jennifer Willow, Director of Research at Vanderbilt University, emphasized that this study proves, for the first time, that stuttering is independent of intelligence or family parenting and is caused by genetic factors. This is a scientific basis that will reduce stigma surrounding stuttering and change social perception beyond just academic achievements. But what about the potential for early diagnosis and treatment? This study opens up new avenues for gene-based diagnosis and precise treatment, which could lead to a significant improvement in the lives of individuals who stutter. And this is the part most people miss. As Dr. Dylan Pruitt, co-author of the paper and a linguist with stuttering disorders, noted, it was a study of great personal significance. I hope this result will lead to the development of new treatments and the elimination of social stigma. So, what do you think? Will this research be the catalyst for a shift in how we perceive and treat stuttering? Do you think it's time to re-evaluate our assumptions about the causes of stuttering and work towards a more inclusive and supportive environment for individuals who stutter? Share your thoughts in the comments below. But here's a question to ponder. If stuttering is linked to genetics, does that mean that we should focus more on acceptance and support rather than trying to fix the issue? And what about the potential controversy surrounding the idea that stuttering is linked to other conditions like autism and depression? Should we be exploring these connections further, or do you think it's a stretch? Let's keep the conversation going and work towards a deeper understanding of this complex issue.